Here, example number 6. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment
सर आपका
joining the
वॉइस बहुत
point
स्लो आ
A.
रहा है.
Point A is, find the coordinate of the point which divides the line segment joining point A. Point A x1 y1, that is 4 minus 3. Point B, that is 8 comma 5, that is b x2 y2. And find the coordinate of the point which divides internally in the ratio 3:1. Ratio 3:1. 3:1. Suppose that point P lies between A to B, and the ratio m1 ratio m2, that is equal to 3:1. And find the coordinate of the point pxy. Find the coordinate of the point pxy. Let pxy be a point on AB, on line segment AB, which divides in m1 ratio m2, that is equal to 3:1 internally. Bisection formula. Coordinate of A. What is the formula of? X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. And y is equal to coordinate of y, that is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Here m1 is to m2, m1 is to m2, that is 3:1. Therefore m1 is equal to 3 multiply with 8 and 1 multiply with 4. Coordinate of x, 3 multiply with 8 plus m2 means 1 multiply with 4 divided by m1 plus m2. 3:1 means 3 plus 1, that is equal to 3 plus 1. 3 into 8, that is 24, plus 4 ones are 4 divided by 4, and 24 plus 4, that is equal to 28 by 4, and 4 7s are 28. Therefore x is equal to 7 and y is equal to m1 is equal to 3, y2, that coordinate is y2, x2 y2, coordinate of y2, that is equal to 5, m2 is equal to 1, y1, x1 y1 is equal to negative 3 divided by m1 plus m2, 3 plus 1, 5 is 15, 3 ones are 3, minus 3 divided by 4, and that is equal to 12 by 4, 4 3s are 12. Therefore coordinate of y is 3. Therefore the required point P, xy, that is equal to P, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3, 7 comma 3, and that is the final answer. Example number 7. In what ratio means find m1 is to m2. Thus the point P minus 4 6 pxy minus 4 6 divides the line segment joining the point A x1 y1 minus 6 10 and b x2 y2, that is 3 8 minus 8. That is 3 minus 8. Okay. Here we find the ratio m1 ratio m2. Let pxy, that is equal to p minus 4 6, b divides A AB internally in the ratio M1 is to M2. In the ratio M1 is to M2. Apply bisection formula. Bisection formula. Here in this figure, A is equal to point -610, that is x1 y1, and B is another point, that is x2 y2, and that coordinate is 3 8, 3 minus 8, and P divides my P point -4 6, and that AP ratio PB, that is equal to M1 ratio M2. Here AP ratio PB ratio AP is to PB, that is M1 is to M2. M1 ratio M2. Okay, and find the ratio M1 ratio M2. M1 ratio M2. Okay, bisection formula. Either we apply the X formula, otherwise Y. X is equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Otherwise we apply Y is equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M2. What is X? X is equal to coordinate P XY. X is equal to -4. M1 as it is, coordinate of X2, coordinate of B, X coordinate of B, that is 3. M2 as it is, X1, coordinate of X is -6, therefore X1 is -6, divided by M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 multiply with -4. So -4 M1 plus M2 divided by 3 M1 minus 6 M2. So -4 M1 minus 4 M2 is equal to 3 M1 minus 6 M2. Therefore 6 M2 transposing to right side to left side, 6 M2 positive, 6 M2 minus 4 M2, and 3 M1 plus 4 M1. Therefore 6 minus 4, that is 2 M2, that is equal to 7 M1. Therefore M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. Here M1 multiply with 7. That divided by 7, 7 M1, 7 M1. And M2 multiply with 2, that is 2 M2. M1, therefore M1 is to M2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Therefore M1 is to M2. That is equal to 2 is to 7. That is the final answer. If you put this value M1, Y, Y2, Y1 in this formula, in another formula, then also find the ratio M1 ratio M2 is 2/7. हम इसमें भी रखेंगे, इस फॉर्मूला में भी वैल्यू रखेंगे, तो भी M1 रेशियो M2 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 2/7 ही आएगी. तो आइदर हम x में रख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज y में. दोनों में रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हमें रेशियो ही फाइंड करना है. तो आइदर वी पुट द वैल्यू इन x फॉर्मूला, अदरवाइज इन y फॉर्मूला, एंड द रेशियो आर सेम. ओके, क्लियर? और तुम चेक भी कर सकते हो कि इसमें आंसर. Find the coordinate of the points of the trisection. हमें coordinates find करने हैं of the trisection. That means points divide the three equal parts of the line segment joining the point A, 2 minus 2, and B minus 7. Here the figure, A and B are the points. A x1 y1, that is 2 minus 2. And B x2 y2, that is minus 7 4. Here the three equal parts. Trisection means three equal parts. P and Q are three equal parts of the line segment AB. That means AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Then let the coordinate of P, that is xy, and coordinate of Q, that is x dash y dash. Here coordinate of P, that is xy, and coordinate of Q, that is x dash y dash. Okay, let P and Q, let P and Q are three equal parts, are trisect the line segment AB. Trisects the line segment AB. That means that is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Let P divides the line segment AB in the ratio. Three equal parts are there. Therefore, find the ratio AP ratio PB. There are three equal parts. Therefore, AP is 1, PQ is 1, and QB is 1. AP is 1, PQ is 1, QB is 1. All ratios are equal. Then find the ratio AP ratio PB. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, AP ratio PB, that is equal to 1 is to 2. Okay. Let PXY divides AB in the ratio AP ratio PB, that is equal to M1 is to M2, that is equal to 1 is to 2. ये सबसे मेन पार्ट है समझना. AP is 1, PQ is 1, QB is 1. Therefore, AP ratio PB 1 plus 1 2. Therefore, AP ratio PB is equal to M1 is to M2, that is equal to 1 is to 2. Apply bisection formula. Bisection formula. X is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. Similarly, y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2. What is M1? M1 is 1. What is x2? Coordinate of B, x, that is minus 7, plus M2 is 2, and x1 is, that is equal to 2, divided by 1 plus 2, minus 7 plus 4, divided by 3, that is minus 3, divided by 3, and that is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to negative 1. Coordinate of x is negative. Similarly, put this value in y. M1 is equal to 1. Y2 is equal to 4. 1 into 4. Plus M2 that is equal to 2. Y1 that is minus 2. Divided by 1 plus 2. And that is 4. Minus 4 divided by 3. 0 divided by 3, that is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. Therefore, PXY coordinate, that is equal to P. X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 0. Similarly, we find the coordinate of Q. How to find the coordinate of Q? Same to same. Let QX dash y dash divides the line segment AB in the ratio AQ ratio QB. In the ratio AQ ratio QB. And AQ ratio QB, that is equal to AQ is equal to 1 plus 1 2. That is 2. Ratio QB, that is 1. Therefore, M1 ratio M2. M1 ratio M2, that is equal to 2 is to 1. That is another way. And second method, here PQ and QB are equal ratio. PQ and QB are equal in ratio. Therefore, Q, that is equal to 1 is to 1. If 1 is to 1, if the ratio are same, if PQ ratio QB is same, then we apply the midpoint formula. Q is a midpoint of PB. Then we apply the midpoint formula. Q is the midpoint of PB. Therefore, here Q is the midpoint.
हेलो सर.
बोलो
सर 2:1 का रेशियो लेके भी कर सकते हैं ना?
Yes, both method are applied. Okay. So Q is the midpoint of PB. Q is a midpoint of PB because PQ and QB both are equal in ratio. So Q is the midpoint of PB. Q is a midpoint of PB. Therefore, x dash is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y dash is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1 by 1? x1 by 1, x2 by 2. x1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, otherwise x plus x2 by 2, y plus y2 by 2. X plus x2 by 2, y plus y2 by 2. X is equal to negative 1. x2 is equal to negative 7 divided by 2. Negative 1, negative 7 by 2, that is negative 8 by 2, that is equal to negative 4. Therefore, coordinate of x dash is negative 4 and y dash, y is equal to 0, y2 is equal to plus 4 divided by 2, that is 4 by 2 and that is equal to 2. Therefore, y dash is equal to 2. Therefore, coordinate of q x dash y dash, that is equal to q minus 4, 2. And P and Q are trisect the line segment AB, and the coordinate of P, that is minus 1 0, and coordinate of Q, that is minus 4 2. Clear? Here, find the ratio. First we find the ratio m1 is to m2. Find the ratio in which the y-axis divides. If the point lies on y-axis, therefore x coordinate is 0. Divides the line segment joining the points 5 minus 6 and minus 1 minus 4. Also find the point of intersection. Here, in line segment AB, point P, find the ratio m1 ratio m2. Point A x1 by 1 is 5 minus 6, B x2 by 2 is minus 1 comma minus 1. And here the point, find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment. Point P lies on y-axis, therefore x coordinate is 0, that point is 0. Okay, point P lies on y-axis, therefore x coordinate is always 0. That point is 0. And also find the point of intersection, means find the value of y. Okay, here find the value of y. So here P point is given. P point is 0 1. Point A and point B. Point A and point B, that is x1 y1 is given. Okay. So first we find the ratio m1 ratio m2. Let P point P lies on x-axis, lies on y-axis. That is P0 y. That point P is 0 y. Here x coordinate is 0. Okay. Let P0 y divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m1 is to m2. Okay, so first we put this value in x formula. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Why? If you put value of x formula, then find the ratio m1 is to m2, because x is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 0, and then find the value of m1 is to m. M1 as it is. x2 is equal to negative 1 plus m2 as it is. x1 that is equal to 5 divided by m1 plus m2. हमने x में क्यों वैल्यू रखी? क्योंकि x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है. अगर इसमें वैल्यू रखेंगे तो डायरेक्ट डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो जाएगा और हम m1 रेशियो m2 की वैल्यू इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं. और यही क्वेश्चंस which find the ratio in which the x axis हो, that point is x0, y coordinate is 0. अगर इस क्वेश्चन में अगर ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन आएगा एक्स एक्सिस वाला तो हम वैल्यू y इज इक्वल टू में रखते हैं y इज इक्वल टू m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 डिवाइड बाय m1 प्लस m2 और यहाँ पे y एक्सिस है x कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है इसीलिए हमने x में वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की। चलो पुट दिस वैल्यू 0 m1 plus m2 multiply with 0 that is equal to 0 minus m1 plus 5m2 तो m1 ट्रांसपोजिंग लेफ्ट साइड that is positive m1 m1 is equal to 5m2 therefore m1 is to m2 that is equal to 5 is to 1 because 5 multiply with m2 5m2 m1 therefore m1 is to m2 is equal to 5 is to 1 that is equal to 5 is to 1 find the ratio तो यहाँ पे हमने रेशियो फाइंड कर दिया पुट दिस वैल्यू इन y फॉर्म देन फाइंड द इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट y ओके पुट दिस वैल्यू इन y फॉर्म y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2 here ratio is 5 is to 1 m1 is 5 y2 is equal to negative m2 is 1 y1 that is equal to minus 6 divided by m1 plus m2 that is 5 plus 1 simplify this minus 20 minus 6 divided by 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 26 by 6 13 2s are 3 2s are therefore coordinate of y is negative 13 by 3 therefore y is equal to negative 13 by 3 therefore point of intersection that is p0y that is equal to p0 comma minus 13 by 3 and the ratio is 5 is to 1 okay that is final answer here in this question if the points a 61 b 82 c 94 and d p3 are the vertices of a parallelogram in taken in order find the value of unknown value p here it is a parallelogram abcd is a parallelogram a 61 b 82 c 94 and d p3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. What is the condition of a parallelogram? Condition of parallelogram is midpoint of AC that is equal to midpoint of BD. Both are same. So here we apply the formula midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Here A61 B82 C94 and D P3 are the vertices of a parallelogram. Therefore, midpoint of line segment AC, midpoint of line segment AC, that is equal to midpoint of line segment BC. Midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD. Midpoint of line segment AC that is 6 plus 9 by 2, comma 1 plus 4 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Similarly, midpoint of BD p plus 8 by 2, 3 plus 2 by 2. 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Here x coordinate comparing with x coordinate, y coordinate comparing with y coordinate. Here p is lies in x coordinate, then only we comparing x coordinate with x coordinate. 6 plus 9 by 2 that is 15 by 2 and that is equal to p plus 8 by 2 and 1 plus 4 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2, both are same. Then find the value of P. Here 2, both denominator have same. It is cancel out. Therefore 15 is equal to P plus 8. Therefore P is equal to 15 minus 8. Therefore coordinate of P, that is equal to 7. And find the value of P. P is equal to 7.